Welcome to Learn with Rensia, Learning English channel.
Number 1. Look after. We use look after when we take care of someone or something. It means we are responsible for them and make sure they are okay. Examples: I have to look after my little brother this weekend. I have to look after my little brother this weekend. Can you look after my dog while I'm on vacation? Can you look after my dog while I'm on vacation? Number 2. Run into. We use run into when we meet someone by surprise. It is not planned and usually happens by chance. Examples: I ran into my old teacher at the supermarket. I ran into my old teacher at the supermarket. We ran into each other at the airport. We ran into each other at the airport. Number 3. Give up. We use give up when we stop trying to do something. It means we decide not to continue anymore. Examples: She didn't give up even when learning was hard. She didn't give up even when learning was hard. Don't give up on your dreams. Don't give up on your dreams. Number 4. Come across. We use come across when we find something unexpectedly. We were not looking for it, but we find it anyway. Examples: I came across an interesting article online. I came across an interesting article online. She came across some old photos in a drawer. She came across some old photos in a drawer. Number 5. Get along. We use get along to talk about how people feel about each other. If people get along, they have a friendly relationship. Examples: I get along really well with my new colleagues. I get along really well with my new colleagues. Do you get along with your neighbors? Do you get along with your neighbors? Number 6. Pick up. We use pick up when we collect something or get it from a place. We also use it when we learn something without much effort. Examples: I need to pick up some groceries on my way home. I need to pick up some groceries on my way home. She picked up some Spanish while living abroad. She picked up some Spanish while living abroad. Number 7. Turn down. We use turn down when we say no to something. It is a polite way to refuse an offer or invitation. Examples: I had to turn down the job offer because it was too far away. I had to turn down the job offer because it was too far away. He turned down the invitation to the party. He turned down the invitation to the party. Number 8. Look forward to. We use look forward to when we feel excited about the future. It shows we are happy about something that will happen later. Examples: I'm looking forward to my vacation next month. I'm looking forward to my vacation next month. She's looking forward to meeting her new team. She's looking forward to meeting her new team. Number 9. Break down. We use break down when something stops working. We also use it when someone becomes very emotional. Examples: my car broke down on the way to work. My car broke down on the way to work. He broke down and cried after hearing the news. He broke down and cried after hearing the news. Number 10. Call off. We use call off when we cancel a plan or event. It means the event will not happen anymore. Examples: they had to call off the meeting because of the storm. They had to call off the meeting because of the storm. The game was called off due to rain. The game was called off due to rain.